So page 143, we're going to do a duck family. Because, like, it's a duck, but then you just do the same instructions smaller, and you have baby ducks. It's really great. Do you ever feed ducks?
No.
Okay. And
That was a random question.
Now we're going to learn how to draw a duck. Step 1. Start with a small circle. Step 2. Add a rounded beak. Step 3. Slightly curved neck. Step 4. Add an oval body. Step 5. Add a triangle-shaped tail. Add more lines for more tail detail. Add the front neck and chest. Step 8. Erase the dotted areas. Step 9. Add an eye and water rings to indicate motion. Then we shade.